Hello and welcome to the orientation video for business mathematics. I am Aaron Reeves and I will be your instructor for this course. Are you ready? Let's go. So first, let's take a look at the Blackboard site. You are to log on to the Blackboard site at least every 48 hours to see what new information may be posted onto the actual Blackboard site. So once you're on the Blackboard sites, always check the announcement tabs. Any announcement posted to the Blackboard site will be sent to your STLCC issued email address automatically. But as well, check the Blackboard site to see what information has been posted for the actual course. When you get to the Blackboard site, you're going to click on the Start Here menu to find information about the course. You have an introduction blog. The introduction blog is a way for the instructor to get to meet the students, for your classmates to get to know one another as well, and you can earn 2 bonus points by completing the introduction blog. This blog is going to be due on August 26th by 11 p.m. So you will have 1 week to complete the introduction blog. It will also be used to verify your attendance in this course by completing the introduction blog. So again, you're going to review all the information under the Start Here menu. Next tab has your syllabus and schedule. I've already printed out the syllabus or pulled it up. So of course the syllabus has a lot of important information pertaining to the course. Be sure to read through all the information carefully on the actual syllabus. And if you have any questions, on any of this information, feel free to contact me. But again, review carefully all of the information that you're going to find here on the syllabus. You have a schedule that's already posted on the Blackboard site. There are 22 chapters in your textbook. We're not going to complete each of those chapters. We're going to begin with chapter 5. The first 4 chapters review of things such as whole numbers, fractions, decimals. Those chapters are resources if you have questions about those contents. But we're going to begin with chapter 5 is going to be our first chapter. So be sure that you follow this schedule. It shows what chapters you have to complete and the actual due date. So August 26th, which is next Monday, August 26th, is going to be the due date for your chapter 5 assignments. Your assignment will always be due on the Monday of the week listed here on your course schedule. My information is here under the My Instructor. So it has my office number, my cell phone number, my email address, my office hours, etc. Introduction about myself. You can read that information as well. That's all found under the My Instructor tab. McGraw-Hill Connect. You were all sent a form to register for McGraw-Hill Connect. Every student in this course must have access to McGraw-Hill Connect. Now, if you purchase a brand new textbook from the Florissant Valley bookstore, it comes with an access code for Connect, or you have the option of going to the Connect site directly and acquiring an access code, which does come with an ebook. So if you decide that you don't want a hard copy of the book, you're fine with the electronic version. I'm okay with that as well. You can purchase the access code from the McGraw-Hill website and you can use the ebook. So it just takes you to the McGraw-Hill Connect website, and this will take you there as well. So again, you can click on any of these links to get to the actual McGraw-Hill site. I'm going to go to the McGraw-Hill site now. When you log on to the McGraw-Hill site, you're going to see these assignments. So every week, you have what's called a Learn Smart assignment. You have a homework assignment, and you have a chapter quiz for each chapter. So each week, again, you complete a Learn Smart assignment, you will complete a homework assignment, as well as a quiz. I recommend that you do the Learn Smart assignments first. You can do Learn Smart assignments as many times as you need to get the full points for that, followed by doing your homework. For the homework, you can do it as many times as needed by the actual due date. But your quizzes, you only have one attempt to complete the actual quizzes. So you work on the Learn Smart assignments and the homework assignments first to get a better understanding of those concepts. And once you feel confident in those concepts, then you'll come and take the actual quiz assigned to that chapter. So again, each chapter there's homework, Learn Smart assignment, and a quiz you must complete for each chapter, and those items are found they're in Connect. That's why you must have Connect access for this course. If you have any questions on how to register for Connect, please feel free to contact me. Also on the Connect site of the library, there's going to be different resources out there for you, other PowerPoint presentations. It won't look exactly like my tab, but you'll have a plethora of different resources available on the Blackboard site. And please take advantage of these resources. Again, there's PowerPoints out there, there's video lectures, there's solutions to certain problems. Again, you won't have the exact same resources that the instructor has, of course, but you will just go through those different resources you find available on the actual Connect site. Back to the Blackboard site, you do have the lecture notes out there on Blackboard. So for every chapter, there's lecture notes, and there's also a summary practice test. The summary practice test is not an actual test, but what you will see each week is a video demonstration of certain content of that chapter being worked out that you can work on your own and then review the actual content. You will also have on the lecture notes, you will have from me a video lecture for each chapter will be posted up under the lecture notes tabs as well. Other items, just make sure that you pretty much go through the different items here under the Blackboard site to find out what resources there are available for you under the Blackboard site. So again, we start first thing Monday morning, August 19th. It's going to be the first day for our class. You excited? I'm excited as well. So again, make sure that you look at the actual course schedule to make sure you understand which chapters are being covered. You have exams as well. I will talk more about the exam close to those days, but you will have a total of 4 exams throughout the semester. The exams will all be online through the Connect software. It's indicating to you which chapters we're going to cover for each of those exams. You will receive a review sheet prior to each exam indicating which items you should focus on for the actual exam itself. So again, make sure you read the course syllabus, go through the course schedule, register for McGraw-Hill Connect, review the lecture notes you have on the Blackboard site, review the supplemental information that you have on your Connect site as well, and let's get ready for an exciting semester. And if you have any questions, again, on the Blackboard site under my instructor, you have my email address here. As soon as it comes out. Come on, there we go. You have my email address, you have my office phone number, you have my cell phone number. It's okay for you to leave me a voicemail, send a text message, and you also have my office hours. So again, you can always feel free to visit me on campus during these times posted on the Blackboard site. Okay, so I look forward to meeting you all in the virtual world. So again, just to reiterate for this first week, on the Start Here menu, complete the introduction blog for week 1. And then in the Blackboard site, you're going to complete the assignments for chapter 5 for week 1. Okay? And again, if you have any questions on any content covered in this course, feel free to reach out to me. Okay, talk to you later.